Charles' law, V is directly proportional to T. V is the volume and T is the temperature, and which two parameters are constant? Number of moles and pressure. I told you PV and T, 4 parameters we have to select, and when we are giving relationship between P and V, we will keep N and T constant in Boyle's law, and in Charles' law we relate volume and temperature. So pressure and number of moles are constant. We are saying here fixed mass, although moles is equal to mass upon molar mass. Okay, so here and temperature will be always in Kelvin. So volume of a fixed mass of gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. Absolute temperature means degree Celsius plus 273 will give you absolute temperature in Kelvin. So volume directly proportional to T in Kelvin. Okay, so V1 volume at T1, V2 volume at T2. So V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. Now we will do numerical based on it. See here, data is given to you. Write down the data. V1 is equal to 500 centimeter, and at T1 373 K. V2 is given. T2 we have to find out. Use the formula V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 by T2. Put the value and simplify it. T2 put it here, and on simplification and calculation we'll get 193.96. Calculation you do your own. Okay, now temperature always in Kelvin. Now given second question, V1 is equal to 906 centimeter cubic, T1 27 degree C. Remember I told you that it should be converted into Kelvin. When V2 is given 500 centimeter cube, and T2 is unknown. So T1 is equal to 273 plus 27 degree C. So we'll get 300 Kelvin. Now we use the formula Charles' law. V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2. Okay, so put the value here. I have mentioned it, and then you can calculate out T2. T2 is equal to 165.56 Kelvin. Okay, so in this way you can easily calculate out Charles' law. Now in Hindi, चार्ल्स लॉ क्या होता है? वॉल्यूम और दोनों डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होते हैं, मतलब वॉल्यूम बढ़ाएंगे तो टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा, टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने से वॉल्यूम बढ़ता है. क्लियर? अच्छा, यहाँ ये फॉर्मूला क्या आ जाता है? V1 अपॉन T1 इज इक्वल टू V2 अपॉन T2, क्योंकि हम दो को कंपेयर करते हैं. तो V1 अपॉन T1 इज इक्वल टू V2 अपॉन T2. नाउ फॉर्म देखिए, यहाँ V1 T1 और V2 दिया है, T2 पूछा है, तो आप क्या करोगे? फॉर्मूला लिखोगे चार्ल्स लॉ का, T2 को अलग से निकाल के ये इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके करेंगे तो 260 बाई 373 गिवन डाटा. आंसर इज दिस. सेकेंड, सिंप्लीफाई कर कन्वर्ट दिस 27 डिग्री C टू Kelvin by adding 273, and rest is same. V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. This is Charles' law. Put the value, get the answer. Okay, you do this numerical yourself. Thank you for watching.